In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a Schedule C using TurboTax, and we'll do all of this in about 5 minutes. Filing taxes can be daunting, especially when you're self-employed, but with TurboTax the process is streamlined and user-friendly. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to go to the official TurboTax website. Open your web browser and type in turbotax.com to get started. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the homepage and click on Sign In. If you're new to TurboTax, you'll need to create an account, but if you've used it before, simply enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, you'll automatically be directed to the TurboTax homepage where all your previous filings and accounts are neatly summarized. Now move your cursor to the navigation menu at the top of the page and click on Federal. This is where you'll manage all your federal tax related information. After clicking it, you'll see a drop down menu. From this menu, select Wages and Income. This section is your go-to for entering and managing all your income sources. Now, scroll down the page and navigate to the search bar at the top of the Wages and Income section. In this search bar, type in Schedule C. The search results will guide you to a category labeled Self-Employment. Go ahead and click on this option. TurboTax will prompt you with the question, ready to start tracking your self-employment income and expenses, and offer a Start button. You'll need to hit Start to initiate the process of filling out your Schedule C. Now, as you continue, you'll be asked various questions regarding your self-employment income and expenses. It's crucial to be accurate and thorough as you go through these. To get the most accurate filing and potentially maximize deductions, TurboTax might prompt you to upgrade to a version that better suits self-employed individuals. This upgrade ensures that you're accounting for every possible deduction and financial detail. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you efficiently file your Schedule C using TurboTax, allowing you to focus more on your business endeavors and less on the complexities of tax paperwork. Always double check each entry for accuracy to avoid any errors in your return. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, filing taxes doesn't have to be intimidating with the right tools at your disposal. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below or visit the help section on the TurboTax website for more detailed support. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your tax filing.